Okay, welcome to KeyMath.com. We are going to make some exercises and balancing chemical equations. The purpose of this is just to have the number of atoms and my reactants the same as the number of atoms and my products and my chemical equations. So right here we have two atoms of hydrogen and my reactant side, and we have two atoms of hydrogen and my product side. So the uh, hydrogen atoms are balanced. But if we going to see the oxygen, we have only two atoms of oxygen in the reactants and just one in the product. So we have to balance. So the way we have to balance, we're gonna put a factor of 2 in front of my compound in the products. So we have two hydrogen, two water molecules. So we have 2 times 1, because there is an invisible 1 here, is going to be 2 times 1, 2 oxygen atoms and my products, and we have 2 oxygen and my reactants. So my oxygen is balanced right now. But if we're going to see the hydrogen now, we have 2 times 2 is going to be 2 atoms of hydrogen, and we have only 2 in my reactants. So we have to put a factor of 2 in front of my hydrogen atom. We have right now 2 times 2 is going to be 4 hydrogen atoms, and my reactant side 4 hydrogen atoms, and my product side we have 2 atoms of oxygen on my reactant side, and we have 2 times 1, 2 oxygen atoms in my product side. So my equation is balanced. Let's see the next one. So we have here nitrogen, hydrogen, and ammonia. So we have two atoms of nitrogen and my reactant side, and we have only one in my product side. So we have to multiply again this compound with a factor of 2. So we got 2 times 1, 2 nitrogen atoms right now. So my nitrogen is balanced, and we're going to see the hydrogen, and the hydrogen has 2 hydrogens in my reactant side and we have only 2 times 3, 6 in my product side. So if I multiply this one by 3 in my reactant side, we have 6 hydrogen atoms right now to balance. So right now we got 6 hydrogens in my reactant side and 6 hydrogens in my product side. Let's see the next one. So we got sulfur, oxygen, and sulfur oxide. So we have a sulfur atoms in my reactant side, and we have only one here. So we have to make a factor of A to make this sulfur A. So it's gonna be A times 1, A sulfurs and my reactant side. So right here we have already balanced my sulfur atoms. Now we're gonna see the oxygen. Oxygen and my reactant side we have only 2, and in my product side we have 8 times 3, 24. We have 24 oxygens in my product side. So right here, to make this one 24, I had to multiply by a factor of 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. So right now my oxygen will be balanced. So we got 24 oxygen in my reactant side and 24 oxygen in my product side. My equation is balanced right now. See the last one, and again we have 2 nitrogens in my reactant side, and we got 2 nitrogens in my product side, so my nitrogen is balanced. Let's see the oxygen. We have two oxygens at my reactant side, and we have only one at my product side. So we had to multiply this one by factor of 2 to make this hydrogen 2. So to make this oxygen 2, I'm sorry. So we had two oxygen atoms at my product side. So, but by doing that, we alter the nitrogen. So we got, right now we got 2 times 2 is gonna be, instead of 2 nitrogen, we have 4 nitrogen right now. So right now we had to balance my nitrogen again. So my product and my reactant side we have only 2, so we have just to multiply that one by 2, and 2 times 2 is going to be 4, so it's going to be 4 nitrogen at my product side as well as my reactant side, and my product side. So thank you very much, and go to KeyMath.com, and we have a lot of resources in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Thank you.